Me On Kayy here, and I have a quick unboxing and review video for you. So this is a Wi-Fi repeater slash extender, whatever you want to call it, and it says DoDo cool your life. So opening it up, first we have the extender itself. Take this off. There's a warranty registration card and instruction manual. I think I know how to use this. Hopefully I can do it, but it's really small, really simple. It says Wi-Fi repeater, and let's plug it in and set it up. Okay, real quick before setting up, I just want to point out a few things. It has a Ethernet input, the WPS reset on the side, and it has a power button on the top, and down here it just says the Mac ID. So plug it in and wait for it to turn on and do its thing after you hit the power button on the top. So now you have to let it find your Wi-Fi and then connect it to the Wi-Fi. So I figured out the easiest way to do this is use the WPS, which is on your router and on the side of this. So what you do is go on your router, hold the WPS button for about 2 seconds, and then come back to your repeater and hold this for 2 seconds as well, and then let them sync, and then the light will go solid blue. And then to connect to it, I will show you that on my phone. Okay, so once you're on your phone, go to your Wi-Fi, and it will come up as an extension. So mine says Toyota-X1EXD, which is the extension. So I'm going to type in my Wi-Fi password. Now your password is the exact same, and this only works on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. It does not work on 5 gigahertz. So once connected, I'm going to do a speed test just to see how fast this is. It's supposed to be up to 300 megabytes per second. Oops. And I'm also going to set this up real quick. So the password and everything is in the manual. So the login is just admin, and then hit connect and wait for it to connect again. Now while I'm doing this, the light on my repeater is flashing blue very slowly. Okay, so it said it's at 100%, so I'm gonna hit back. So once you set up a name to what you like, if you want, do a speed test and see what kind of rating you get. So for an extender, that's pretty good. So I'm going to give this a 4 out of 5. I have some other ones that do similar, but they're actually from Xfinity. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or anything, if you have any trouble, please feel free to leave a like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day, and peace out, everybody.